Hey guys, I'm Kyle Brooks. I'm the head sommelier at Masseria in Washington, D.C. When I first transferred to FIU for hospitality, I knew I wanted to do something in food and beverage, but I wasn't sure where exactly. And then I took an Old Worlds wine class with Professor Cassidy and realized that wine could really be a career. So my job is largely running every facet of the wine program, from tasting, inventory, purchasing, printing menus, wine lists, the staff, educating them, and of course selling it to the guests. Multifaceted for sure. So I would say if you want to get into wine, don't be afraid to sort of start at a junior position in whatever company you're kind of familiar with. I started at Total Wine right after school and learned a lot there, spent a number of years, and then got into the restaurant side and sort of applied what I learned from textbooks and some other classes here at FIU and kind of combined that with the wine knowledge that I really wanted to learn and was picking up at Total Wine. Each year, of course, the hospitality school has SOBI, but we also host the American Fine Wine Competition that, of course, has volunteers to help serve the wines and polish glasses and things of that nature. So just being around all those different wines and usually getting to taste them at the end is great. And then just being able to, I guess, apply your networking so you always know someone who knows someone. And if you are looking for your next career move, there's usually options available. Being a part of the Chaplin Alumni Network, you really are always seeing what the next class of students are getting into as the school grows, as SOBI and other things evolve and grow. The industry is always evolving. It's really helpful, especially if you're part of a smaller restaurant or hotel group, whatever, to be able to kind of see what else is out there. It's just one other avenue to fuel your kind of professional growth and your network. Yeah, so I think giving back personally, I think mentoring is a great thing because there's so many different avenues you can go within hospitality and tourism and restaurants and wine. There's so many different options.